Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining in today. Let's wait for a few minutes for all the schools to join in, and then we will start the session. teachers and dear students, to another interesting PyCode session. Today is the 18th session of our amazing PyCode journey, and we are only 3 sessions away from concluding these PyCode sessions. So before we begin our today's session, I'd like to make a quick announcement. We have like 3 sessions left before we conclude our PyCode series. So on the last session, that is on 30th December, we would be announcing our top performers, our top schools and top students, and we'll be have shown a really good participation in these sessions. And we will be announcing all these on 30th December itself after the 20th PyCode session. So the participation, the student attendance will be calculated on the basis of their quizzes and assignment submissions. So I would request all the teachers to make sure that their students have submitted their quizzes and assignments before 30th December so that they can get the participating certificates. So without any further ado, let's start today's session, and all the best.
Okay. So hello all of you. Okay. Good afternoon to all of you. So I hope you all are excited for this session number 18. Okay, so in the previous session, we are discussing about machine learning. We are creating projects, different projects with the help of machine learning, where we are adding the images and doing all the stuff, right? So okay, please let me know ki, like my voice is audible. Like most of the time, you are having a like all of you. Please, anyone, please let me know if my voice is audible to you. And I want to answer in the chat. Yes. Is my voice okay? Can I know from any participant who can hear me properly? No one, I guess. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. I got one answer. Yes, my voice is audible, I guess. Okay, so as usual, we start our session with an interesting activity. So first, I will show you activity that is related to not with the coding, but basically this is a kind of a warm-up activity for you. Okay, so let me share you that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. I hope all of you can see, right? Yeah, this is a question for you. You need to tell me the top view of this figure. The option are A, B, C, and D. Yes, please share your answer in the chat. Okay, so there's a if you so this is a sticks we can say, right? This is a stick, right, which are having a different colors. Now the task is very simple. You need to tell ki if you see this thing from the top, right? So what you can see? A, B, C or D? Okay, very good. I got my first answer. Okay, only one. So all the school coordinator, teacher, okay, respected principal, if you are there, to please, if possible, you please write the message in the chat, the answer. That would be great. All the students, please share your answer in the chat. Okay, I got two answer and both are same. So yeah, correct answer is C only. So C is correct. Thank you so much for your answer. Now let's just start our session and let's first see what we have done in the previous session. Okay, so let me open my AI Connect, which is already open. So for AI Connect, we already know we have already completed 17 session. This is our 18th session. So what you need to do is you need to go to the Google, and if you simply search AI Connect also, then also it will come. Or you can do one thing. If you go to this your thing, okay, in your LMS, this is a platform link, right? So once you click on the platform link, then also you will get the AI Connect. So both the ways are possible, right? So AI Connect. Now first thing is we will check what we have done in the previous session. Okay, so we have done shape detection, right? So let's just let's just recall it what we have done. In the previous session, I showed you different kinds of shape. Shape of a ball, rectangle shape, right? Square shape. And with the help of that, what we are doing is we have written like the shape is, it is a circle, it is a square, okay. And not only that, by I given more images also. See, at the time of creating a model, I give the different images. After that also I give some different images. That is why we use machine learning, right? So it's not compulsory to use the same image. Okay, you can use different images also. First create the model, right? If you created a good model now, so then after that you can add the images, okay, different images also. So this we have done in the previous session, in which we are saying ki like the shape is square, shape is rectangle, or shape is like that. Okay, so first what we have done is we have written show the webcam. Okay, so that with the help of this it is showing the webcam. Then inside a loop that is repeating 10 times, what I done is I load the model. So this model I already know. Okay, so this model I have taken from the teachable machine, where we add the images. Okay, after adding the images, we train our model, then we test our model. After that, we get this link, right? And I want to write the whatever result is coming through this. Now I want to see that also. That is why I have written set result to predict the image from the webcam. So whatever image through your webcam it can see, that will come under the, that will come inside a result, and you are printing the result. Simple. And if the result is equals to square, okay, if the result is equals to square, then what you will print the shape is square. Similar way, you will see different things. If the result is rectangle, shape is rectangle, circle, and the not able to classify, right? If last condition happen. So this way you are having we can say like a 10 chance, okay, in that 10 repetitions or in 10 rep, okay. You will tell me ki 10, you will tell me 10 times ki whatever is coming in the webcam now, whether it is square, rectangle, circle, triangle, or that. Okay, so that's it for this part, right? Now let's just go back again and let's just first create a new activity. So activity name will be detection animal detection, and the type will be machine learning. Okay, type will be machine learning, activity name will be animal detection, project, select the project. I already selected, that is PyCode. Okay, after doing this much, after writing the activity name, annual direction, machine learning or PyCode, you will click on the create button. So this is very simple and we already know that, right? Okay, now before starting this activity now, let me ask you a quick questions, a kind of a revision which we have done in the previous session. So all of you, a question for today is this block. What is the use of this and block? Okay, this is a question for all. Anyone who know the answer, please write your answer in the chat. Use of and there's or also. What is the use of these blocks? Anyone? Please share your answer in the chat. I'm waiting. Anyone, what is the use of this block? And block, A and D and or, any block you can explain. Conditional and, okay. Number what this will do? JNV West Godavari. What this will do? Okay, requested for all the teachers, you can help your student to write the answer in the chat. If both condition is true, okay, after that. Fast. Anyone who know the full answer? Okay, let me tell you if you don't know. So it's very simple. If I have two condition, right? Okay, if I have two condition and if both are true, let me give you example for that. Let's just say if I have a number, okay, I'm creating a variable called number. I put a number over here. Just wait. Okay, what I want is I will say if the number, if this number, sorry, yeah, if this number is equal to, let's just say, all condition must true. Very good. Yes, Manoj, your answer is correct. All condition must true. So if the number is equal to, let's just say, I will define the number also. So now I already know that the number is if the number is, let's just say, 5. For this, let me put it also. Okay, so 5. So if the number I initially write here, the number is equals to 5. In the condition also, I'm checking whether whether the number is 5 or not. So if this condition satisfy, or if the second condition is also satisfy. What is the second condition? That if the number is, I will write over here 10. So if number is less than 10, okay. If number is less than 10, is it true or false? Anyone who can tell me? Number is equals to 5 is true, because inside the number I have written 5. What about this condition? 5 is less than 10. Is it true or false? Everyone, please share your answer. Then only we can interact, or you can ask a doubt also. No one? Okay, simple. Number is equals to 5. This is true. Number is less than 10. This is also true, because 5 is less than 10. Because I have written and condition, and means if both are true, that means it will return true. So let's just see if it will return true or not. It is returning true, right? What if any one condition is wrong? What if I write over here less than sign? The number is equals to 5, not less than 5. So now this will give error, or maybe false, right? False. Now what if I do one thing? I will write over here if false or equal to, less than or equal to. Now we already know this is not less than, but definitely it is equals to, right? So any one is satisfying, so this will give true. True basically means this is true, this is also true. That is why it is returning true. So if both the conditions satisfy, okay, if both the conditions satisfy, so it will return true. If any one of the condition will not satisfy, it will return false. Okay, this is about and what or say that, okay, irrespective of any one condition wrong, right? I know this condition is wrong, but because this is or this is true, this will return true. Done. Yeah, this is how we will do it. Any doubt in this? Anyone of you, any doubt? Anything you want to ask? Otherwise, those who have no doubt now, they have a new, I have a new question from them. This is a new question. What is this? Anyone of you know what is this? Anyone of you know what is this? This blue block? Variable declaration. Okay, this is a variable declaration. Fine. Anything? What happened, guys? It's not too cold. You can write. Quick, quick. Write your answer in the chat. Only one. I got only one answer. Okay, let me tell you. This is basically function. I am declaring the function over here. And I will define what my function will do. Let's just say I have a function called add. Okay. So what this function will do, whenever I call this function now, it will add two numbers. and that number will be, let's just say 1 plus 9. So whenever I will call add, this will return me 1 plus 9, that is 10. Okay. If I call it 2 times, it will return me 2 times 10. Okay. 3 times 10. Sorry, 2 times. Just duplicate again. Now 3 times. Okay. This is function. Function name is add. Inside the function, I have written print 1 plus 9. So when now I'm calling my function 3 times, and that is why I'm getting this, right? I hope this part is also clear. Now let's start a new one. So for that, what I will do, I will create a variable called animal. And what I will do, this animal will hold the what this will hold. This will hold the link, right? So if it will hold the link, I need to create a model first. I will click on a train. You need to go over here, click on the train, and here we go. So whatever things you want to classify, you will write over here. The first I want to classify dog. Second, I want to classify cat. Third, I want to classify cow. Okay, like this, and cow. Now if you do this much, right? And this time, what I will do, I will download the image this time. Okay, I will go to the dog. Let me download few photos of a dog. Save image as. Let me write over here. Okay, this is a very important, that this webp file will not work. So whenever you will see the type of the file is webp, this will not work. Yeah, download, or this is jpg. Jpg will work, right? JPG image will work. I will download this photo. Okay, dog 2. Let dog 3. This is a webp file. This will not work. Dog 3. Okay. Okay, dog 4. And I will add dog 5. Dog 6. Done. Now do it all of you this much. You need to download 6 photos of a dog. See, you can add more photos also, but that will take time. That is why I'm adding only 6 photos. Done, all of you? Right. Okay. Now I will do one thing. I will do the same thing for cat. I'll have to do it very fast. I hope you understand how to download the image. Right click, save image as. Okay. You need to check whether it is a JPG, or PNG. These 3 formats you need to download. Okay. Again, I'm repeating JPG, JPEG, or PNG. Save image as cat1. Okay. Cat2. Cat3. Cat4. You'll get cat6. Cat5. All of you do this much. Download the images. Okay, now the next thing is, after once you have downloaded all the images, now you need to do one thing. Go to the teacher machine. Wait a minute. Yeah, use the teachable machine. Go to the A Connect. Okay, and what I will do, I will add all the images. Okay, now what you will do, you will go to the teachable machine, right? And then you need to add the, you need to click on the upload. And what you will do, you will add the different images. So first, what I will do, I will add all the images of a dog. Dog images. Okay, like in a single shot it will come. Again, the more images you will add, the better will predict. This is for cat. Now this I will do for dog. I want some practice for you also. That is why I'm not doing all 6 images. And what I will do, I will remove this cow. How to do it? Click on this 3 dot. delete class. Okay, so done, all of you. Please do it. Okay, after this, what you will do? I have removed the cow. How to remove it? Just go over here, this three dot, and click on the delete class. So I just want two things, dog and cat. And then what I will do, I will click on the train. So once I will do that, it will train my model. Yeah, done. Now I will show the dog image. Another question comes is how I will show the dog image. So I have a mobile phone. I will just open the dog. Okay, let me show the dog image. To check, okay, there was a error opening the webcam. Make sure to enable the webcam. Wait a minute, let me close my this camera. Let me reload this again. What happened? Okay, my webcam is not working today. I don't know why. Oh, bad luck. Dog. This cat. Loading the image. Cat. Load. Upload images from this cat images. Okay, now let me try. So I need to train the model again. Actually, previously my camera is not working. So testing part is waited. That is why I'm doing it again. So because it's very less sample we have added, it will not take that much time. See, now it was working also. My webcam, and let me just show. See, it's showing dog 100%. Let me show the cat. Cat. Okay, so in this timeline, it is showing some fluctuation. Just try it again. Yeah, it is showing cat, but sometimes suddenly show dog also. Go close. Yeah, not a shrink cat. Yeah, it is working, but okay, you can see it's not working properly. Okay, I need to show the image in a proper way, then only it is working. So reason is very simple. That again, we have not added that much of samples, as I told you already from the beginning of the session, that the more sample you will add, the better it will predict. Okay, so sample is very important. So now what I will do, I will click on the export model. Okay, and then what I will do, I will click on the upload my model. That's it, simple. Then I need to wait. I will copy this one, go to the AI Connect, and I will paste the link that is on the teachable and not done. Okay, I paste the link over here. Now it's time to check. What I will do, I will go over here, output, print, go to the teachable again, and check the predict risk from the webcam. Or what else I can add? I can add show the cam, webcam. So let me run it again. Sorry, run, and let me show you the image. Let's see the answer also. Okay, it will not work. It worked on it worked one time, but now it is not working. Reason is I have not added a loop. I want this thing to happen 10 times. We'll check my result 10 times. Now let's try it again. Let me show the cat image. Wait a minute. Sorry. Let me run again. Why it is showing dog only? Dog.
Dear teacher, there is some technical glitch right now. We'll be starting the session in just a minute.
Hello students, I hope you all can hear me, right? So, just some technical issues. So Jayesh will join once again in a very soon. So till now, we have learned about how we can use the Python programming, right? And we can find out to identify different kind of animals, right? So now here, what we are doing, we are using the concept of machine learning, right? Machine learning, right? So like it has been introduced to you in the initial sessions, like what actually machine learning is, right? Where what we are doing is we are giving instructions to a machine. We are training the machine, so it is intelligent enough, it has got the capacity that it can identify if the particular animal is like we are first of all training that these are the images for the cat, right? These are the images for let's say a dog, right? These are for the bird. So we are just putting all those in different categories, and after putting those in categories, we are training the machine. that if the image looks like this is a cat, that's a dog, and that's some other animal. So this is what machine learning is, where we give instructions to our computer, to our machine, right? That this is what I want to train you for, right? If we think of some real life examples around us, so we are in an era where we see most of the things that are being determined with the help of machine learning and artificial intelligence, right? So one very common example that we can have is YouTube. We all are using YouTube on daily basis, right? And we are seeing that we are getting the recommendations on the right hand side, right? How do these things happen? How does YouTube come to know that I have interest in these all kind of videos, right? So that's really amazing for us, that YouTube knows beforehand that this user has got interest in these kind of videos, right? So this is all because of machine learning, right? So what happens on YouTube, like whatever videos you are watching, so what YouTube does, it keeps a record of all those videos, right? So complete record is right, with the help of which it is able to maintain a record, and based on that record, it recommends you videos further. This is all machine learning, right? Where we are first of all training it and then using that data, right? Our phones have got fingerprint sensor. When we buy a new phone, the first thing that they ask for us is that you have to train the phone that this is your fingerprint, right? That is again one example of machine learning, right? So we have got so many examples of machine learning around us. And in this session, what we learned today is how we can use the Python programming, right? So what is the real concept behind this? How we can use the Python programming and do the activity of it, right? So quickly, I'll just show you how the activity is done. So I'll just share my screen and show you how to do the activity. Right. So here, this is what we have is machine learning over here, right? So if, a very quick revision, if you have to do an activity on machine learning, right? So how we'll be doing it, right? So first of all, what was told to you have to create first of all an activity. Let's suppose we are doing a body detection. I'll do animal detection, right? And type of the machine learning, and in what project you want to save it. You can just do these kind of things, and then we come on to the activity, right? And after that came the next part, where we have to first of all train the model, right? After train the model, I go to train, right? Then I'll be defining certain categories over here, like class one. Let's suppose I do as dog, and class two I do as cat, right? Then I'll be adding some samples from my computer, right? And then we have to do the training part, and then comes the preview part where I export the model, right? And doing so, we have to use that training data. So I go to Teachable, I take load the machine block where I have to paste the link over here, right? And then what we have to do, we have to print whatever is the result that we are getting, right? So now what we'll do after that, we can load the image, right? So here I have got the option where I can use my webcam and load the image, or I can upload the image from my computer, right? These two options are there, right? And then if I want to show the webcam or I want to show the image, I can use it to show it at the end, right? And now whatever is the result, it has to be printed. So I can just choose if the image is from the webcam, right? And I have to just use the print option. It's as simple as that, right? So now what we are seeing over here, just with the combination of three, four blocks, right?
So we have been able to do an activity that is based on machine learning, right? So that is how we'll be doing this activity. So have someone complete the activity. You can just reply on the chat box. You can reply on the YouTube chat box if the activity is being done. Hello. Really sorry. Okay, so let's continue. So let's see what we have done. Okay, so we have added all the images. Let me show my screen first. Okay, I'm facing some really like I can't say what problem I'm facing with my laptop right now. So it's not working at all. So yeah. Okay, so dog images we will add. We already added the dog images.
Jesh, your voice is not clear. There are background noises also.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Give me a minute, ma'am. Okay, yeah, I hope I'm fine now, right? So first what we will do, we'll add the images. So we can just download some images. In this part we have done where we have added all the images. So how to download the images? You just need to go over here, take image as. Okay, very important part that we have discussed before also, that you don't need to download that image, which is like WebP, right? So always download the image, which is JPEG, JPG, JPG or PNG. Like this will not work again. Okay. So image as, again same image, will not work. Okay, same image as, will not work. What is happening? Okay, we'll try this. JPG. This will work. So just write over here dog one. I save it in my download. Then I will click save. So download my first image. This I showed you already that we need to download at least 5 to 10 images. The more images you will add, the better to save it, right? So we will download to watch images here. Doc 2. Okay. Similarly, we will add more. Doc 3. Doc 4. Okay. So 4 images I have downloaded. This will not work. The family of a dog. So it will take some more images. I hope the basic idea is very much clear to all of you, that we need to download good images, right? Good number of images. I have downloaded 5 images. JPG, PNG or JPEG images will work. WebP will not work. We'll go to the tutorial machine. We'll add dog, which is already written over here. I will upload my images. Choose images from my file. So just select all the files. Right, press shift and then just select all the files. Then same thing I will do with the cat, that I'm not doing it right now. Just add some sample images for this. Let me show you very interesting thing now. I'm just adding a raw images over here. Two cat images also. Okay, I don't have. Okay, I'm adding 2 cat images. This will not work. That's it. Okay, so done. Teacher machine, upload images. These images I have added. Next, train the model. We'll train our model. The two things we have done. We have added the sample images. Now training is happening right now. So I have added few samples. It will not take that much time. Yeah, okay. So I will test my model. So we can add the image. Here I am. There's an error processing opening this. So no worries. If you can export model, upload my model. So this way, I trained the model. Testing is also done. Now I will take the link from here. Yeah, okay, I got the link. Go to the connect. Paste the link over here. Okay, now I have a option. I can do this one. To upload the image. So whatever image it will take, it will show the result of that. So whatever I will remove. So just try with this. My model is loaded. I will upload the image. It will predict the image. So yeah, it will predict the image. Correct. Let me just try it now. Now that image. And not. Now. Okay, scroll down. Let me try the different image. By the way, that image is not a dog image, it's a cat image. And now I'm adding a dog image. Let's just try now. One. Result will come. Okay, dog is fine. Dog is correct. This one is correct. We can try with the cat image again. Cat one. This cat image. Two. Cat image. Okay. So as you can see, my model is not, because I have added few samples, so it's not like accurate that much. Let me try again. Okay, we can do one more thing. So with this, we can write a condition over here. Now this condition that this predicting this will be a dog. This a dog. Right. This is writing over here dog. So then what I want. Okay, very important. Whatever you will write over here now, it should be the same as you have written over here. So this is DOG, where the D is capital. Right? And then I can write for hello for other element. So nested condition, which we have discussed in the previous session. Yeah, that's that. Okay. That the print you want dog. Okay. This you want cat, or I don't know. For this I'm writing don't know. Simple, right? So just try now. Again, upload the image. Browse the image. Dog. So just try. Then we come over here. Let me run again. Yeah, you are done because I added the image. let me do one thing just for the trial purpose. Let me add my photo only. Okay. I'm adding my photo. Let's just try. Let's see. Which animal I look like? Okay, my camera is not working. Bad luck. Okay, so this is a whole thing, right? This is a whole idea where you will add the sample images, and with the help of a sample images, you will predict the model. After predicting the model, if you add the different images also, it will work, right? But if it is a dog image, it will show you the dog. For cat, it will show you the cat. Or for the other animal, it will show you, I don't know. So this is the whole idea, right? And now all of you homework is, if you go to our portal, go to connect. Let me show you the homework also. Yeah, okay, so all of you, the homework is this. Prepare a machine learning model to identify a pigeon or a parrot into the image, upload the output screenshot over there. Okay, so again, you need to create a model where the class will be a pigeon or a parrot. This is the homework. I'm requesting you all to submit your assignment, okay, because we are very close to end of this session. Recording will be available over here. Quiz, you can attempt the quiz also. Like this way. The 4 questions are there. Attempt it. We'll have a fun. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask, or else we will end the session. Any one of you have any doubt? Want to ask anything? You can share your doubt in the chat. Any doubt? Any one of you? Okay. So let's end.